Top 5 Black Serial Killers. Number 1. Anthony Sowell, a former Marine known as the Cleveland Strangler who lured vulnerable women to his home in Ohio. His crimes were discovered in October 2009 when police executing a search warrant uncovered the decomposing remains of 11 women scattered throughout his house and backyard. He was convicted and sentenced to death, later dying in prison in 2021. Number 2. Wayne Williams, convicted in 1982 for the murders of 2 adult men in Atlanta, Georgia. Following his trial, law enforcement attributed most of the Atlanta child murders, a terrifying spree involving the abduction and murder of nearly 30 black children, to Williams, subsequently closing those cases. While never formally tried for the children's deaths, he remains serving life sentences. Number 3. Alton Coleman, active year, 1984. Along with his accomplice Deborah Brown, Coleman engaged in a brutal multi-state crime spree across the Midwest over the summer of 1984. Their path of terror spanned Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan, involving the robbery, assault, and murder of at least 8 individuals, frequently targeting young children and acquaintances. Coleman was executed in Ohio in 2002. Number 4. Derek Todd Lee. Between 1992 and 2003, Lee terrorized the Baton Rouge and Lafayette areas in Louisiana, stalking and murdering at least 7 women. For a long time, the investigation was hindered by an inaccurate behavioral and racial profile that led police to look exclusively for a white suspect. DNA profiling ultimately linked Lee to the crime scenes, leading to his capture. He died on death row in 2016. And number 5, Samuel Little. Confirmed by the FBI as the most prolific serial killer in U.S. history. He targeted vulnerable women across more than a dozen states, frequently avoiding detection because many of his victims' deaths were initially misclassified as drug overdoses or accidental causes. Before his death in 2020, he confessed to 93 murders, and law enforcement has verified at least 60 of them.